Hey guys, want to take care of your prostate without sacrificing flavor? This smoothie is for you. Start by grabbing a cup of blueberries and half a cup of strawberries, fresh or frozen, your call. Toss in a handful of fresh spinach or kale if you're feeling adventurous. Next, add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds and a cup of unsweetened almond milk. For extra creaminess, throw in half a banana. If you like it sweet, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup will do the trick. And don't forget those ice cubes for a refreshing chill. Blend everything on high until it's smooth and creamy. Pour it into your favorite glass and enjoy immediately to get all those nutrients. This smoothie isn't just tasty, it's loaded with health benefits. Blueberries and strawberries pack a punch with antioxidants. Flax seeds bring lignans and omega-3s, while spinach offers essential vitamins. And almond milk? It's a perfect, low-fat, dairy-free option. Stay healthy and sip away.